Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my second video on continuous random variable. In my first video, I had discussed what the continuous random variable is and the probability density function. Let's see the next step of the continuous random variable or continuous probability density functions or the continuous distributions. Okay, the first one is, it is mean. Actually, the mean or the expected value. Normally, we denote by Ex or the mu is the average value of the experiment over the many trials. However, we know that if the random variable is discrete, normally we find the mean x times the probability x is equal to simple x. Then we have to add this multiplication we had done earlier. However, now it is continuous. How do we find it? To find the mean of the continuous random variable, we have to do the same. We have to integrate. It is e of x, where capital X is the random variable, dt, negative infinity to positive infinity, x times fx dx. We have to integrate. Okay. However, if there is another function, if it is, I'll write it as g of x, what is the expected value of the gx? It is given by e of gx. However, it is negative infinity to positive infinity gx times fx dx. Okay. Then we will define what the median of the distribution is. The median. What is median? Actually, the median is the value at which the distribution divided into two parts. Left hand side is 50% as well as the right hand side is 50%. As an example, I'll draw a small diagram. I'll draw the probability density function. Think about this is a function. If the median is simple m, the area under this curve or the probability density function fx, that means the negative infinity to m, fx dx should be equal to 0.5, where m is the median value. Okay, let's discuss some examples. The first one, it is for the probability density function fx is given negative 3 over 8 x to the power of 3 minus 4x square plus 3x. X is in between 1 and 3. Otherwise it is 0. Sketch the graph. How do you sketch it? Negative 3 over 8 x3 minus 4x square plus 3x. The first step, I'll factorize it. If I take the common factor x square minus 4x plus 3. Negative 3 over 8x, x minus 3, x minus 1. Now what are the x-intercepts of the graph? 0, 3 and 1. 0, 1 and 3. However, if the x value is less than 1, it is 0. It's 1 and 3, the function is not 0. Then greater than 3, again 0. This is the graph of the fx. Okay, the next question, we are asked to find the mean. Find the mean. How do you find the mean? We know that negative infinity to positive infinity. X times fx represent the mean or the ex. That means mu is equal to negative infinity. We know that this one 1 x times fx dx plus 1 to 3 x times fx dx plus 3 to infinity x times fx dx. According to the definition of the function, it is given it's a hybrid function. This is 0. This one 1 to 3 x times fx dx plus the other part is 0. Okay, now we have to substitute 1 to 3 x times what is fx is negative 3 over 8 x3 minus 4x square plus 3x dx. Since negative 3 over 8 is a constant, we can take it out. Negative 3 over 8, negative infinity to m x3 dx plus 12 over 8 negative infinity to m x square dx minus 9 over 8 negative infinity to m x dx. Now we can integrate this expression. This is x4 over 4 negative infinity to m plus 12 over 8 times x3 over 3. The limits are negative infinity to m, negative 9 over 8, x square on 2, negative infinity to m. Now, if we substitute the upper limit and the lower limit, you can simplify it to, I'll write it down. It is 3m4 minus 16m3 plus 18m square minus 5 divided by 32. However, now we have to equate this expression to 0.5 and solve. Please, we will equate this to 0.5. Now use your CAS calculator. Solve. Negative 3m4 minus 16m to the power of 3 plus 18m square minus 5 over 32 is equal to 0.5. Solve for m. Then if you solve for m, m has two answers. M is equal to 2.12 or m is equal to 3.57. Now if we consider two answers, we know that this function is defined 0 to 3. Therefore, we can't accept this one. What is the median value? The median value is 2.12. In this video, I have discussed what the mean of the continuous random variable and what the median of the continuous random variable. I think that's enough for today's video. If it is helpful to you, please subscribe and share among your friends. Good luck for your studies. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.